We'll say.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you so much. That's done. Yeah. So, and how does it feel to go on a holiday with your family? Completely paid. Who's there making noise?
Awesome.
Awesome, right? Can we have energy in the voice?
Brilliant.
Correct?
I'm going to go for one.
Extraordinary.
Or how is it feeling? Can you see the energy already building up?
Yeah.
Having built
Definitely.
right? Correct? That's
Correct.
what is all. That's what scripting is all about. Creating your energy, completely thinking of your future with complete passion, and you know how you as if it's really happening, like you know. So scripting is nothing but one of the techniques. We know a lot of most of us here are law of attraction students, so we know scripting is just one of the tools of law of attraction. A very powerful tool, very simple but very powerful. It's like writing your own story. You know, these movie people write the scripts for movies and all that, right? Here we are writing this, we are scripting or writing the story of our own life, of how we would like a life to be, how a future would like to be, how we want it to pan out for us. What are the best elements that you would like to think? You start dreaming, visualizing, and then penning it down. You know, mostly just like what people imagine and write for the movies, scripting. That's why it's called scripting. It's a very fun way and a very rewarding manifestation tool. So it's not about thinking about the grammar and am I writing the correct words, am I writing the correct sentences and stuff like that, but it's more about having fun and you know having adding all the energy and having the fun part of it, and describing your future as how you would want it to be for you. Because I'm sure during a childhood all of us would be dreaming, right? I'm going to marry that, you know, Prince Charming. I'm going to live in the castle and I'm going to drive big cars. And we used to get lost in the thoughts and used to be so happy, right? Most of us do that during childhood, looking in the clouds and imagining yourself big castle.
This poster in my room.
Is it? What is it?
I had a huge Tom Cruise poster in my room for many years.
Okay, Tom Cruise was your favorite hero. Fantastic. Yeah, so we all had that kind of dreams that we would think about whether they're real or not. We never really bothered, right? We were so happy, so wonderful feeling that you know we're going to do something like that in future, imagining and stuff like that. If only we had continued that kind of a dreaming, if only our parents had allowed to, most of us would have achieved it actually. If we hadn't been brought back to this reality, face reality, don't dream big and all kinds of stuff. If we had continued dreaming, if we had only known law of attraction, then we would have dreamed bigger than what we were right now, correct? So scripting is just like that, imagining all your whatever you want to do in future, and with a lot of energy, enthusiasm, and passion about what you would want to like, and write it down. Right? Scripting is, that's why it is very powerful. Now, why is scripting powerful? Because there is a flow of energy, there is a flow of emotions. When we are writing it down, the emotions and the energy flows from a body onto the paper. There is a flow of energy. So higher the energy, higher the vibes, the energy flows into the paper, and this transfer of energy is what makes it reality. It what helps us manifest is easier and faster. Right? For example, let's say a small child. Most of us have children. So if a small girl or child makes a card out of her own hands, writes a message for us, sticks some things and all, it may not look perfect, right? Because the small child had done it, definitely will not look perfect. And if I were to sell it to someone, do you think anybody would buy, even pay a price for it? No one would buy it, right? But for us, it's priceless, correct? Yes, it's priceless, right? Why is it so priceless for us? It's not a very great looking card. It's not perfect. But why is it priceless to us?
The thought and the emotion.
Because the child's emotions and feelings flow from the child's hand to the paper, which is why the paper is so priceless. But for others, it could be a piece of crap, they would just throw it also, not bother. But for us, it's priceless because of the emotions, the feelings that the child has towards us that flows onto the paper, which makes it priceless. That is why scripting is so powerful because whatever feelings we have, we are putting it onto the paper, the energy flows and gives a lot of energy to that particular piece, which is why it becomes so powerful, which is why scripting is supposed to be one of the most powerful tools of manifestation, right? That's how our dreams come true. So that's how it is. Okay. Now let's come into the thing of why is great reasons why you should go on for scripting, right? One is Like I was sharing, during the childhood, we'll be dreaming about the Prince Charming coming and marrying. He's coming on a horse, wearing this kind of robe, a crown, and imagine what all details we put into the childhood, right? So when we're dreaming, when we are thinking about desires, we put in all the details. So as we go on putting on the details, we get more and more clarity of what exactly we want in our life. So the number one thing about scripting is clarity. We get very clear about what goals we would like to achieve in our life. So that's one of the main reasons why scripting is becoming very powerful and why we could use it, right? Second one is it's very helpful. Many people I have heard say that I'm not visual. I cannot visualize pictures and stuff like that. Yes, Rishi, would like to share something?
Yeah, even I have it very tough to visualize when I am just closing my eyes. And when you say, like, imagine 111 or 222, then what I started doing was before the session, writing 111, 222, 333 in a paper. When you say it, I will then see that 111. Otherwise,
Absolutely.
I don't.
Yeah.
I can't see anything at all. Even if you had draw a hut and then close your eyes, I see a building, but
Yeah.
otherwise I don't. So yeah, I think I understand totally what you
Yeah,
mean.
there are a lot of people who say I just can't visualize at all. It's not my cup of, and we know there are people who are auditory, who are people visual, some people are kinesthetics. There are different kind of people. So some people cannot visualize. For that kind of people, this technique is very useful because we write down the words. So there is again an energy flow. Since writing is easier for them than visualizing, this helps relate to the dreams faster than visualization. So this is one of the reasons why it has again become very powerful. Again, while third one is while we are writing the scripts, while we are imagining, visualizing, and all that stuff, all our emotions, like we were talking about the dream car, we feel so high vibe, we feel so energetic thinking of the dreams, right? So this when we're thinking and writing the scripting, we access to our thoughts, feelings, emotions more, which is the we all know that emotions, feelings are the most important key ingredients for manifestation. We all know that, right? Thoughts are important. Along with the thoughts, emotions and feelings are equally important for manifestation, which is why scripting again is very important tool, because we activate those emotions of how we would feel, how wonderful it will be, how top of the world we'll be feeling when we achieve that thing. So all the emotions are actually activated when we're thinking about, which is why again it's a powerful tool, right? And again, building trust in the law of attraction, these techniques, because as and when we start writing and these small manifestations happen, we start believing, we get more and more belief, we have more faith in these techniques to say they are really powerful and they really work for us, right? So there's a few reasons. Any questions so far?
No.
Cool. So
Ma'am,
now,
I have a doubt, ma'am.
yes.
We already write affirmations in our LOA, right? So how it is different? So
Affirmations are only one single short statements, right? It's only a short statement, one or two statements that you write or you repeat 21 times or whatever. But scripting is like writing a story. Like I said, you're writing a story about your future. It's like a short story, long story. It depends on how you want, but it's a story. It's not one sentence. I'll come to that, how we could create and all that stuff. But the basic difference is you're writing a story of your future self. Like for the movies where people write scripts, we are writing scripts for our own story, our own life. That's the only difference.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, all right. So now there are a few rules that we need to follow. Just like we all are LOA practitioners, we know that just like affirmations, we always write in the present tense as if it has already happened, correct? So this also is like that. Scripting is that we always use present tense as if we are in the future. Let's say 1 year down the line, I'm looking to buy a new car. And 1 year down the line, when I achieve the new car, what is the color of the car? What are the details of the car? I'm looking into it. So all those things we're talking about as if I already have it, as if it has already happened. So the first rule, most important rule of any scripting is that it has to be always in the present tense, right? And then and the language has to be like I am driving my dream car. I'm living in my dream house. Or I'm married to my soulmate. I attracted that 1 lakh or 10 lakh rupees. So that is like exactly as if it has already happened. So it always, the first rule of thumb rule is that it has to be always, whatever you're writing, it has to be in the present tense, right? So that the key is that you put yourself into the future self of yours, 1 year down the line, how you would look like. You put yourself into that position and write as if you're experiencing that right now. So the present tense is the most important aspect in attracting what we want, right? Second one, it should be clear and detailed, because we're writing a story. We would like it to be as long as possible, as much as details, as much, like let's say we're talking about dream car. What is the color? What is the car? What is the shape? What is the model, make, and what are the interiors look like? How am I going to put the interior colors? How is the steering wheel going to be? So the more the details you add into it, the more specific and more clear you will get about it. So the idea here is be as descriptive as possible when you're scripting your own life story, right? So that's when you get more and more clear. So manifestation becomes a lot more easier and you get exactly what you want. Of course, most important third one is add emotions and feelings, correct? We all know emotions, thoughts are electric and emotions, feelings are magnetic, because thoughts and feelings are the one which attract us towards the manifestation of whatever attracts better. So adding feelings while writing the scripts, and also the words which describe your feelings during the script. Like you said, I feel so fantastic when I'm driving in my new car on the highway, beautiful mountains. I feel so excited. I'm on top of the world. It's fantastic. You know, these high vibe words that you can use. So those are the words which will be helping us in getting better manifestations, right? So whenever you use these kind of high energy words that we call, when you use these high energy words, you start raising your vibrations. And as you start raising, you are really a match to that particular thing that the desire that you have. And when you match your desire, your vibration to the desire, manifestation becomes faster and easier, because you're really vibrating at that. But no, we have been talking about how you can vibrate, how you can vibrate the same frequency of what you want. And that's when manifestation, that's when you attract it into your life. So adding emotions and feelings is very, very, very important aspect of writing the script. So always remember to use high energy words. So first is always in the present tense. Second one, add as many details as you want. Third one is add emotions and feelings to your script, right? Fourth again is being grateful. And why I'm saying add being grateful? Why should we add this element of being grateful?
So we attract more good into our life.
Yeah. Any others?
Ma'am, being grateful is the highest state of high vibration. Number one point. Yes, number two is being grateful for the things we have already will attract more things, whatever we wish to.
Yes, yes, correct. And when do you say thank you? When do you generally say thank you?
When I receive something else.
Correct, correct. So we are telling the universe in advance, thank you for something that I want, saying that I already acknowledge it's there with me. So when I'm being grateful for what I want already in the future, so universe understands that, okay, this person is ready for it and receiving it, and it will become a lot more easier. So that's why we also write saying gratitude for the thing that I wish to, as if it is already there for me in my life. So being grateful is acknowledging that I'm already receiving it. I'm all ready for receiving it. So then again, manifestation, again, it's very, very powerful way of attracting what we want into our life. Being grateful is one of the best things that you could do to attract, because like Anirudh was sharing, when you're grateful, your vibration are already high. And when you're really, really that kind of vibrations, manifestation happens just like that, right? And then fifth important point is make it believable, okay? Though we're not denying that, let's say you are expecting 100 crores in a year, it could be possible, but because of our past programmings and because whatever beliefs that we have regarding money, there could be a resistance in our mind that, oh no, 1,000 crores is too big a money, I may not be able to achieve it. Where will I get the money from? The logical mind takes over, which means then we create a resistance in attracting what we want. There is a resistance, so we cannot attract what we want. So that is the reason why we say make it believable. Let's say we are talking about 1 year scripting, and you're earning 50,000 now. Maybe you could put 1 lakh for the 1 year or 1.5 lakhs maximum, so that your heart believes it, or your mind believes that this can be possible. If you're putting a big figure and there is a resistance, there is a tug of war going in the mind, while the brain says 1 lakh, mind says 50,000, there's a tug of war going. So manifestation cannot happen. And if at all it happens, it gets delayed. So there will be this resistance created within us. So ideally keep something which is believable, which you feel is believable for you within the time frame that we're going to talk about. So that it's always better to make a goal which is very, very achievable for us. So that as you step by step, baby steps, you take a baby steps. First, you will put an achievable goal. From there, next goal. From there, next goal would be a best way to go while scripting. So these are the few rules that we could follow. Any questions here? All clear? Cool. So now we will tell you how to use the script. Now we have written the script. We have all experts in writing the scripts now. Okay. So how do we use this? Okay. Now we understand why scripting is important. We know how is the rules of scripting. How do you use the script now? Like any usual, we are all LOA practitioners. We know LOA, we need to see the affirmations just before going to bed or early in the morning or throughout the day as well. Same goes here also. Ideally, if you can read the script just before going to the bed, that is the best time, because during the sleep, whatever the last thing you had in your mind stays in your subconscious for the next 6, 7, 8 hours of the sleep. And if you do it as a daily practice, that's when the reprogramming of the subconscious mind happens as a habit. And that's when the manifestations start being faster. So ideally, if you could read your script, put it under your pillow and read it every day just before going to sleep, it'll take maximum 2-3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes. But that's the best thing you could do for yourself, because you're dreaming. In your sleep, you'll start dreaming about that. And it'll be etched into a subconscious mind if you do it on a regular basis. So the best way to use this script is reading it just before going, or you could even do it in the morning itself. But ideally, it would be best to do it just before going to sleep. And you could also use the scripting as a daily routine, like scripting your day, how you want the day to pan out, what would be what all things I would achieve, what all things I would like to do today, morning, first thing in the morning. Or you could choose to put it the previous day also as to what I would like the next day to pan out. This is again a very powerful way of doing it daily if you could do it. Of course, it's a choice, but if you could do it, this will be a very good way of creating that day or that particular day. Today, how am I going to manifest my day? How am I going to spend my day? So a few questions, if you could ask yourself, what would I like to achieve today? What are the major tasks that I need to do today? How would I feel today? Am I going to feel happy? Am I going to be sad? Am I going to be grumpy? Am I going to be angry? Or am I going to be at the top of the world? How am I going to feel today? So when I decide in the morning, the whole day pans out that way. Have you seen sometimes, when the alarm goes off and we press it down and we get up 15-20 minutes late and we start running and rushing, the whole day seems to be going wrong. Everything seems to be going wrong because you started the day in the wrong side, because you started in a hurry, you get angry on yourself. So the whole day catapults the same way as the whole day goes in a wrong way. So the way you get up and start your day is very important factor to pan out the day. So probably you could use these questions. If you want to do it the day before, you could still do it just before going to bed. Ideally, you could do it in the morning also. And again, what am I grateful for today? In our workshops, we always encourage people to say 10 things that you're grateful for even before you get up from the bed, right? So 10 things that you're really grateful for today. Thank God I'm alive at least. Whatever reasons you have, but at least being grateful for today. So these few questions you could ask yourself every day in the morning. If you want to write it, you could write it as a script. You could write the list and then probably just make it. Ideally, I always used to make this list in the morning. Today I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this. It was like a shopping list. I never had any emotions to it, right? So now I'm not writing script, but every time I make a list, I try to add emotions to that. Though I'm not very good at script writing, so I just like the list. And I'm listing, wow, I'm going to get some money. Wow, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go shopping. I try to add emotions to that every time now. Though the list is still the same, but I make emotions. I make it a point to add emotions to that so that I feel better that way. And I complete the task by the end of the day. And make me happy because makes me more productive, makes me feel more productive because I completed the task, whatever I've listed in the morning. So you could use scripting as a daily routine as well. And you could do it on a weekly basis, monthly basis. You could, script your week, you could script your month, you could script your year. Choice is yours. It's your choice. How often do you want to create your future? How wonderfully you want to create? And you feel more power because when let's say you're doing 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, a week ahead. And when you're able to achieve that whole week the way you've written, can you imagine how powerful you start feeling? You feel, okay, yeah, I'm doing this. I have written down and I've successfully completed it. So you start believing more and more in yourself. So then you also start believing that, okay, when I can do 1 week, 1 year is also possible. And
that's why,
yeah.
Sorry.
No problem.
That's why I insist you to send those daily messages every day.
Yes, yes.
It's
Thank you
a
for appreciating.
positive and better way to, start the
Absolutely,
day daily.
absolutely, absolutely. And thank you for appreciating that. Right. So the idea is that you start the day fresh, start the day in a good manner so that the whole day stays good for you. And when you're vibrating high, obviously manifestations will have to happen. And it becomes a lot more easier when you remember that. So just remember while writing the thing, the secret is to write as if it has already happened with all the emotions, right? So that's the all about scripting. Any questions here so far? Any questions? Okay. Yeah, Niru.
Ma'am, here we are writing the scripting for the day, for the coming day, right?
Yes.
So it can be a long-term thing, or for the day also we can write both things, right?
No, what we today what we're going to, I'm going to help you do is write for a 1 year, next 1 year. After 1 year, how you would be. I'll go first, I'll guide you through a meditation, and then you'll sit down today and write the script as if after 1 year, how you want your life to be looking like. The same technique you can use it daily just for one day. So today morning, I said, today I will finish this task. I would love to, how I'll be feeling so wonderful when I go and finish my training for my students. I'll be so wonderful when I am completing my video for things. So that like that, so that you're writing the whole thing, including emotions for today itself. Ideally, you could write it for weekly, or we generally write it for a year. But if you could use it for a daily thing, it'll be very, very powerful. That's all. Of course, it's a choice how you want to take it out. But today, what we're going to do is for 1 year, and I'm going to, before that, I'll guide you through the meditation, and then we'll sit and write the script.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Any questions? I'll share, right? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, you can continue, but I just want to tell something. I heard that we need to do scripting and all, but this session you gave us a lot more clarity, ma'am, like what to write and how to use that.
Thank you, Surya.
Thank you.
Nice to see you after a long time.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm currently in the process of inspired action, preparing for the exam.
All the best. And you could script you every day also.
Yes, thank you,
Right.
ma'am.
So shall we begin the meditation? All right. So please close your eyes and get into a comfortable position while I get some music on. Okay. Is the music okay for everyone? Is the music audible? Not yet. Okay, wait, let me just. Is the music audible now?
Are you going to talk? Can't hear your voice in between the music.
Can't hear. Should I lower the
Yeah, we can't hear the voice. Your voice, actually. We can hear the music.
Now is it okay? My voice is clear right now. Yeah, that's important. Okay, please close your eyes and get into a comfortable position.
Little bit lower music, please.
Is it still loud?
Yes,
Okay.
little bit.
Is that okay now?
Yeah.
Or still loud?
Can you talk?
Yeah, are you able to hear my voice or is it still loud?
The music is still loud.
Okay. Now? It's still loud?
No, I think we can do with this.
Okay, I could still make a little more. Okay. Perfect. Please close your eyes, get into a comfortable position where your body will not disturb you while meditation. Take a few deep breaths, focusing all your attention on your breath. Good. going to speak to you now, and I want you to just listen and imagine. Just relax and imagine. Right now, I want you to think about your life. Think about your family. Think about your friends. Think about your job or your studies. Think about your finances. Get a clear picture of all your things in your life right now. About your career. Think about your relationships. And when you see all these things in your mind about your current life, how does it make you feel? Take a moment to observe your feelings. Now think about a goal that you want to accomplish in the next 1 year of your life. One goal that you like to accomplish. It could be a relationship goal, an education goal, or some personal goal, or work related, buying a house, setting up your studio, whatever the goal is. Think about this goal that you want to achieve in the next 1 year. Think about why achieving this goal is so important for you. And how achieving this goal will add value to your life. Think about it and see your goal in your mind's eye. Now I want you to imagine yourself going forward into the future. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, going forward, the month now. And you have started your journey on this road towards success. What decisions have you made? What actions are you taking? And how does it feel to be on this road to success? Now I want you to continue going forward. It is now 6 months in the future, and you're much closer to your goal. You're already starting to feel the benefits of all your inspired action. How does it feel to get closer to your goal? What emotions do you feel as you move closer towards your dream? Now I want you to continue going forward, and it is now 1 year in the future, and you have fully accomplished your goal. You have achieved your success. See yourself clearly. What do you look like? What are you doing? Who are you with? What are all the people saying to you? And what are you saying to them? How does success feel to you? What are the emotions of being successful? Now I want you to look back on your success. Look back on the process of achieving your success. Look back on all the inspired action and effort that you had taken to achieve this goal. What were the little things you did day by day to achieve success? And what did you do inwardly to achieve this success? Take a moment to think about all the steps, think about all the details and how you feel, all the emotions, all the details of achieving this goal. Stay in the moment. Feel the emotions, feel the joy of achieving success. And when you feel you're ready, you can open your eyes with a smile. Welcome back. Is everyone back? Yeah,
Yes, Alicia.
Padmaja. Valyu, you connected with two systems, is it?
Yeah, this is one system
Okay,
and this is
everybody
one
found
system.
it's okay, perfectly fine. Okay, welcome back. I'd like you to take a paper and a pen and start scripting your future for the next 1 year. Now you know the rules, right? 1 year, next 1 year, how do you see yourself? What are the goals that you want to achieve? I'm sure you had a clear picture in the meditation. So please pen them down while they are fresh and clear in your mind. I'll give you 10 minutes for that. Please write it down. You want me to play the music or no?
Sure.
Okay. I will. 10 minutes to write down. Anusha, Bindu, are you back? Surya?
Yes, ma'am, back.
Okay, right. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Please start writing. Any questions you have, please ask me. And please remember the rules. It has to be in present tense. It has to have all the emotions. Add in as much details as you want. Be grateful, right? And make it achievable. And write it like a story, not as an affirmation, all right? It has to be a story. Like today I achieved this and how am I feeling? What all I did to achieve this? And who are the people who helped me doing this? Make it as a story.
So this story should have all the gratitude and all the steps that I went through, the processes, everything. So it is a story.
Yeah, it is a story. Yeah, it is a story of how you went. Supposing you had some difficulties, in spite of all that difficulties, how I overcome these difficulties, how consistently I managed to achieve my dreams, and because of all the troubles, how wonderful I'm feeling that I was able to overcome the difficulties and achieve my dreams. Cinema laga, just like a movie, you see the hero goes through all the trouble in the end, the hero is the hero. So you are the hero of your life. So please write it. Okay, are we done? Is everyone done? Would anyone like to share the experience? Like to share, either you could share your script or your experience of writing the script. If you're inspired to,
Can I share, ma'am?
absolutely. Please go
First,
ahead.
I would like to share the experience of scripting. Like it's been a year or more. We have attended the LOA session. We missed your guided meditation. Seriously. So now it's like going home or coming home. Like it's like when I hear your words and all, I was able to easily visualize when you say that, and I was able to easily feel that. So let me share my script quickly.
Yeah.
So it's in the year 22 July. It is in the Mumbai Stadium, where I was invited to speak before 80,000 crowd because
I am invited.
yes, I'm invited to speak before 80,000 crowd because it's the largest maximum capacity of the stadium there. So then I started telling my journey of 1 year journey there. So this is what I'm telling to them that a year ago, I attended Tony Robbins session for the 4 days. It was the beginning of my journey into becoming a peak performance coach. Then I started sharing my steps, what I've taken regarding my physical energy, mental energy, and emotional energy, which I learned. In the process of this 1 year, I started teaching and helping students for interview skills. So I made so much money that I funded for my trip for US to attend Tony Robbins live session in November. It's gonna happen, and I'm not going to ask this money from anybody, even from my family, that I'm going to self-fund myself. And I'm spreading the love of Tony, and I'm following my daily routine. And And I'm very grateful that I always have a group to share in this year. The following 1 year, I have always a group of students to listen to me. So that's how I have become a peak performance coach in India. And my nickname is Tony Robbins of India. That's what people are calling me.
Super.
I started helping people, for businessmen, coaches, trainers, employees, and students to give how to be a 100% peak performer in their life so that they can efficiently achieve their daily tasks. This is my story.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. Feels
Thank you.
fantastic, right? Thank you for sharing. Who would like to go next? Yes, Sirisha.
So for the first time, I don't know why today when you were doing the meditation, I was gone. I slept. I remember the beginning, I remember the ending and waking up. Only my subconscious mind was listening to you.
Yeah, would have heard it anyway.
Generally, I'm awake, but today I was gone. But when I put this pen to writing today, it was so easy for me to see what was July 2022 for me. I'm in this beautiful home, waking up with 4 bedrooms, and it has all the beautiful interiors that I'd imagined for the girls and me. Like each of the room was like really on my face. And then I walked up to my meditation room. I finished my meditation. I walked up to my terrace. I had this space where I could do my trapeze, my garden, and everything was like visually right there. That was my home, and that's where
You
my
could visualize now.
22 actually was.
Yeah.
And then I have transformed people. I'm a health coach. I finished my yoga TTC, and I'm doing little bit TV shows to help people to heal their back and spine and things like that in my work. And I just felt like everything was in abundance. My life, my work, my family, my friends, my day. It just felt like I'm a very strong, healthy person. I'm physically, mentally, I feel like at the top of the world, living each day as the most beautiful day of my life.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. Can you imagine if you're reading this every day, how wonderful you would feel every day? Right? Reading this story, your own story, and you're vibrating so high every day. Manifestation starts, the journey of manifestation starts that day itself. Every day if you're reading, your vibrations are rising, right? It feels so wonderful. Correct? That's the easiest way.
This happened very naturally to me. A visualization, I'm always thinking, I open my eye, I do all this drama, but this just happens so naturally. I don't know if the sleep worked or what worked, but it worked.
Yeah, your subconscious was listening anyway. And for a person who said, I can't visualize, you managed to do all that now.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you for sharing. Just remember to read it every day so that you're really in that zone to get you going.
Absolutely.
Thanks for sharing. Anybody else would like to share?
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, what I am thinking, I want to speak English fluently. That is my dream. So, what I am writing here, first I want to search the spoken English classes. Then I want to join. If any problem from my family members, no, I want to fight with them, and then I want to join in that classes.
Okay.
After that, finally, first if transportation also any problem on that process, I whatever I want to go I want to go to change my buses or whatever I want to
You don't
carry.
have to go anywhere. We have a teacher here in our group. You don't have to go anywhere.
That's what I'm thinking.
Ask it, it is given.
Anirudh.
It's already started. You have a coach over here. So you don't have to go out of the house also. See?
Oh, I don't want to go.
Manifestation already started.
Okay.
Just connect to
Correct.
Anirudh
That's what I
and
was
it will be
thinking.
done. Right, Anirudh? And please write it as if you're already doing it. Okay, Padmaja?
Okay,
I
madam.
want to, Kadu. Yes, I'm already doing all that. I'm already speaking fluently, and I don't even have to go out. Right from in my house itself, I'm learning to speak English.
Okay.
I'm already speaking now. From 1 year now, you're already speaking and teaching
Yeah.
people English.
After 6 months, I am the great English.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you, Vijay. How does it feel when you're writing your
Shruti
essay?
garu, one more I want to tell, I want to share with you now.
Yeah.
Before I'm joining the class, I mm, actually I visualized everything, but I don't know that is the visualization. After
Okay.
joining the class, I understand what is the visualization, how it will work. Now, I know the visualization steps. No, first what we want to visualize, and then what. So now I understand the visualization power of the visualization. Actually,
Yeah, they are very powerful.
actually I did, but I don't know what is the correct process.
Mhm.
So it's thanks to you to give the knowledge about visualization.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Your manifestation has already started in this group because you're going to connect to Anirudh, and within 6 months, you'll be very fluent in English.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for sharing. Anybody else would like to go?
I can go.
Yeah, please, Vali.
1 year from now, I'm in US, settled in, and I got all my visas lined up, and I am working happily. I don't know why I ended up with 600K USD per year, but that is what I ended up. And I'm very happy, peaceful, joyful, no stress. My kids are happy. They're going to school. I pursued my MBA, and that's why I ended up in a job where I wanted to build my career, and I'm earning more. I don't have any complaints, and I'm more happy than ever. And I thank each and everyone who helped me through this journey. And I attended n number of sessions. That's what I wrote. There are so many sessions. I attended your LOA sessions, and that helped me to build step after step after step, where I can go through this process. And I am in US, settled in, where now right now I'm thinking it is impossible, or how am I going to do that? But I think I'm settled in US from 1 year from now. That's it.
Absolutely. Leave that to the universe.
There's no doubt. So right now it's like I couldn't see, but in 1 year everything will be aligned. I'm sure.
Yeah, absolutely. So how does it feel when you're visualizing yourself in US and
You don't hear me, my voice saying how do I feel?
stick
I'm
to
so
that
joyful.
feeling? Yeah, absolutely. Stick to that feeling. Yeah.
I'm so joyful, awesome, and as I said, it's like
Thank you for sharing and stay in that zone. Manifestations will just come.
and actually, I think I'm spreading a little bit in my home. So my little one, the youngest one, the 5-year-old one, started singing once in a while. She sings, "Joy is the key, joy is the key." So I was like,
Great.
"Oh, very good." She's reminding me. I put that seed in her, and she manifests whatever she wants.
Absolutely. Children are always connected to the source. So whatever they want, they'll easily manifest. If we adults don't interfere, they will easily manifest whatever they want.
Yeah, I'm like, yes, you are right. Joy is the key. So I start singing that joy is the key.
Awesome. All three of you could dance together and sing Joy is the Key.
Right, right. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you
And
so much.
thank you for the wonderful session. It's beautiful.
Thank you for sharing. Anusha, would you like to share? Anusha, are you there? Okay, since there's no response now, I'm done with the session. And I now hand over to Anirudh to pep up and add a lot of energy to us and share his experience with. I'm really, really eagerly waiting for that. Over to you, Anirudh.
Yeah, thanks a lot, ma'am. Kindly, can I get 2 minutes to set up something? Like I need to stand and speak.
Yeah,
I just need 2 minutes from you all. Can you have a sip of water, because I want you all to stay hydrated.
Okay, no
This is
problem.
what Tony says. For every half an hour, he says, have a sip of water, stay
Yes.
hydrated.
Absolutely. That's very important when you speak, because he speaks for 16, 17 hours a day.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So I request everyone to have a sip of
Yeah.
water.
Thank
Just
you.
give me 2 minutes.
Let me go get my water.
Yeah, while Anirudh gets it ready. Okay, are we ready? Awesome. You're already in that 84,000 crowd.
Hello all. Yes, before I start the session, I want to check from you that how many of you want a practical session today? Type me in the chat box.
Me, I'm already saying that.
Yes, that's awesome, ma'am. So today's session is going to be in 4 segments. Number 1, I'll tell you who is Tony Robbins, what he does, what are the unknown things he has shared with us in the 4 days, which is not found anywhere in the internet. Number 2, I'll share how I manifested the ticket, the greatest ticket to Tony Robbins session that happened 1 month before. Number 3, I'll share what I did, what I'm doing after his session, how I inculcated some things in my life. Number 4, I am going to teach you one technique that is called priming, told by Tony Robbins. We all shall do that because I have the authorization to do, because I have been doing for past 30 days after his session. So every day I post about this in session. Every day the team Tony Robbins say to me that Anirudh, you're awesome. You're very consistent, because nobody in the group was doing it daily. So me and Surya also with me every day. We do that priming every day. So then I learned something that consistency is the key. And thanks to Tony Robbins. So before I start the session, I like to thank Sirisha ma'am, all my mentors. I learned one thing, ma'am, from the session. The universal source is one, and it transforms, it gets channelized through many people. For example, if I see Tony Robbins, after the session, I understood that he's a yogi. He's a yogi in the jeans and t-shirt. He's like one more Sadhguru. He's like Sri Sri or anybody you say, he's a yogi in the jeans and t-shirt. That I realized, ma'am, many commonalities, many common things, because this is a secret I want to share with you, that he teaches NLP and law of attraction together. That is a thing I decoded. I was very much happy that day, knowing that I was a student of LOA from past 2 to 3 years. Many people don't know that. He just combined both the things, NLP and law of attraction, that made a huge impact. So let me share the things about Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins, sir, is a peak performance coach, money mastery coach, business coach, whatnot, everything. So at the young age, like 25 years, he dropped out from his school. Like after dropped out from his school, he has a bad parenting, or let's say he doesn't have a good family thing till that time. After that, he attended only one session, that is by a teacher. I don't remember the name, but he attended the NLP session at a very young age of 25 years. After attending the session, for 6 months, he stayed with the teacher. he used to help him on the stage. He used to do the work called crewing. Till now, Tony Robbins also have the same thing called crewing. We as a members support as a team, taking care of the audience and all. Like that, 6 months he was there. That literally that NLP thing went into his body, in his DNA, everything that he understood, he started applying on each and every person. He used to teach individually. At the age of 29 years, he wrote a book called Unlimited Power. It was 500 pages, big book. He wrote at the age of 29 years. It's been 30 years for now. Then he was introduced to law of attraction, and he was more of a practical kind of person. Right now, because of Corona and COVID, I was able to attend this session through Zoom. I should be thankful for that. 18,000 people registered for the session. 15,000 people attend the session worldwide from 180 countries. And I got an opportunity to talk in a groups, because after the session, he create breakout rooms like our Gaurav sir does and like us do. I got an opportunity to interact with them. Almost 10 times I spoke with the different people, like almost 100 people I spoke. I realized that everybody on the earth is same. Everybody has the same problem. Everybody has a problem of speaking. Everybody has a problem of money. Everybody has a problem of health. Everybody have a family issues. I was shocked to know that even US guys have family issues. There was one lady, she was telling me that she was asking advice from all the people. She was telling that I want to become a life coach, but I don't have a time. She's in some senior manager position in some big company. I was shocked that the same problem we have in India. We have the problem of procrastination. We have problem of inconsistency. So the world have the same problem. So then I thought that's why Tony Robbins has become such a huge person. He is able to cater all the problems in the world. And one more thing I got to know that he has coached Bill Clinton, the previous president of USA, personally. And Serena Williams and Oprah Winfrey, he has in his team and all. He has a university called Mastery University, where he teaches all these things, exclusive programs, and also one more interesting thing which I found was that he has his own island in Fiji, near USA and all. Here he has 2 to 3 islands, and he feeds 10 lakh meals per year through a Feed America. There is an organization called Feed America. He feeds 10 lakh meals per year. Just imagine the volumes he is helping people. So then I understood my life purpose also. I should be large enough or big enough to serve as many as people, even the food, education, or everything I have to give. It is only possible through training or coaching, because in training and coaching, we can solve any kind of issue, even their personal issues, family issues, or mental issues, or emotional issues. Through the training, I can do that. So this is all about the first segment, because everything is available in YouTube and all. Like if you can search about Tony Robbins, you can see all his sessions, how the energy is. And one more interesting thing I found is that he speaks for 12 hours just standing. Just for 12 hours, he just speaks on standing. There was a group of doctors. He has a big he has his own research team. Like there was so much research is going on by Stanford University on his courses, how people are transformed. They took 10,000 people and they did research that 50% change was there in the people who attended this session. So it will be like, he said that in coming year, they will be publishing this report and all. So the group of doctors, what they did, they attached some, calorie counter, how much energy he releases. It is 12,000 kilocalories, like in one day. 12,000 means it is doing 2 times marathon, like full marathon means 42 plus 42. Just imagine 84 kilometers if you run in a day, that much energy is being sent out. Then I understood why people are so much energetic in these sessions. Why not people who teaches in India or somewhere else? Nobody in the world, because he gives energy, people gets that energy and they also do the same. So from that day, I decided I should speak only on standing mode, because if I want to be Tony Robbins of India, at least I need to spend few hundreds of calories at least, not in a sitting way. So this is what I learned from this session. For the 4 days, it was from evening 5 p.m. to morning 5 a.m. Every day I woke up, my time has changed, my clock has changed, but I didn't even 1 second. We did a lot of practices, ma'am. In the last segment, I'm gonna share the priming exercise and all. coming to the second thing, how I manifested. That is the main part, which is the interesting part. In April, May, I went home because I have given my UPSC and Group 1, both the mains this year in January. I was expecting my interview call and all. But what happened, for the 4 months I was doing LOA, I'm writing affirmations, I'm praying God also. But unfortunately, my name was not there in the list in the May end. That's the first time I think I cried in my life, seriously. That day, first time I shared with my dad also. Generally, results I don't share, I share after a few days. But that day I shared with my dad, my parents, and my mother, and Surya was also there, my brother is there. That day, one strange thing happened that day. At the night, I think at 11 o'clock, Surya asked me one question. He told me that I think we have wasted, I think you have wasted a few years of time in your life, and why did it happen? Then I tried to convince him, saying that there are many avenues apart from UPSC. I started saying him that no, there are many things to do. I want to help like this. I want to help that. Till now, that time I didn't attend Tony Robbins session also. I convinced him for 1 hour. I convinced him that no, there are many things beyond UPSC and all. But when I slept, something happened at 2 o'clock. My mind is not accepting this thing. I told him that there is life beyond UPSC, but my mind, my soul inside me is not accepting. Because for the 4 months I was waiting, from the past 2-3 years I was preparing, then something happened. I started crying. Even I took out my mobile to watch some video on YouTube. I didn't control that day. I think 2 to 3:30, I cried like anything. I cried, God, that why did you do this? I asked him, why did you do? What's the mistake I did? From the 4 months I was waiting that and all. I cried that day. I woke up late. And everything is normal in my life. But that day something happened. Like I thought to watch some really motivating thing that day to go forward. I don't want to watch YouTube and all. I want to see some kind of documentary. Then my friend suggested me that there is one documentary of Tony Robbins in Netflix. It is called I'm Not Your Guru. Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic one. It's a fantastic one.
After watching that, there is a deep.
I'm not your guru.
I'm not
Your
your
guru.
Yes. Tony says that he's not everybody's guru. Everybody should be their own guru. There is light inside everybody. So what happened that day? After watching that, I got a deep desire to attend the session, which happens only in foreign, like in USA or Australia or in Singapore. It never happened in India, to my knowledge. So Surya was saying that how can we attend? See, for one session, I think we need to give 2 lakhs. And in this situation of failing, who will accept me going there? So then I found that there was a live Zoom session happening in the month of June. So in the June, what happened? When I clicked the website to know about Zoom details, I found that the ticket was $500 for a person to attend. Then again, the dilemma came. Okay, $500. It was around 35,000 I need to invest now. So I was thinking, but there was a deep down desire came in me that's naturally came to me. But after 1 week, there is something happened. Then I took light that I should join in the future and all. There was a public speaking mentor for me. Like he lives in UK. He worked with Tony Robbins for 10 years before starting his own venture. So he was there in the Tony team for 10 years. He suddenly announced something in Facebook that I want to give away 3 tickets of Tony Robbins for free, but you need to do something. Everybody, 200 people typed in his under his post that I want to attend. Then he gave a task that speak for 5 minutes, give me a review or give me a testimony. I want to pick somebody else. He can't pick 200 people. Can you imagine? Out of 200, only 80 people took action. Only 80 people record and send him the video. I'm the first person to do it because I was eager to get it. Then I also messaged sir that, sir, I'm doing visualization to get the ticket. Then he smiled. Okay, you guys do whatever you want to do. So after 10 days, there was a lottery system. From 80, you need to pick 3. It was started and he had his daughter. She is 3 years old. She's sitting on his lap. She is picking. So he want to make it very transparent because people may say that, sir, you pick somebody else. So he asked her to pick the first name. My name is not there. but still I was waiting. Second name, my name was under. The third name, he announced that, yes, Anirudh Billa, my friend. Yes, I know that you're doing some LOA. He told me some law of attraction is doing that. Then I was like shocked. Then I thanked the girl. Like I was like so much emotional that day. See, he gave me a ticket now to attend for freely. Then I gave 2 more reviews. I made some college, everything I did. Then I got the ticket. So in the June first week, I attended a session from my home, and my family also very supportive because I have sent some few videos of Tony Robbins. Immediately, even my parents, they don't know that level of English. Immediately, they got attracted to Tony Robbins by seeing the videos. Then I understood. When a person is so genuine, language is not a barrier. Even my mother started liking Tony Robbins. She supported me because I was staying whole night from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. I was doing, they supported me. We did all kind of activities, ma'am. He told to get a tiles which we do. We write our limiting beliefs on it. Then we will break it. So that activity, my father also did along with me. So
you shared the video, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I shared.
What do you do? Write something on
breaking the tile.
And then break it like the karate break.
Yes.
And you write something that doesn't serve you purpose?
Yes. So in the prima facie, if you see that, that's very easy, simple, but when you break it, I don't know, some energy, it will break. Seriously, it will break. So I wrote something kind of, ma'am, just a second, ma'am. Just give me a second.
Sure.
Yeah, ma'am. There was another session going on. My laptop got closed. They were asking password. Sorry for that. Okay. I wrote 3 things. I want to break my physical workout limitings. I was doing on a light exercise till that day, not a huge one. Second thing, I want to join some advanced meditation course, which I was not doing. So I wrote them. I broke. That day I broke twice. 2 tiles I broke. There was a slight pain, ma'am, which we can bear. But people always afraid to break because they feel that they'll hurt something. Nothing happens. Even if we break tube light, nothing happens. But the fear is more. So that was all about the session. Next, what the steps I have taken is that I have completed my 10K marathon. I have completed my 13K also.
Awesome.
It took 1 month time to do that. It doesn't happen in one day. Then I realized that all the universe, all the nature, it needs consistency. We can't escape the habit. Daily rituals, we can't escape. Nobody can escape. To get success, we need to get in tune with the nature. Like sun rises every day, we need to do something every day. So that's how I broke my physical barrier. Now I want to join HIIT, that is high intensity training, which will unfold our energy a lot. Because it's a high intensity training, the name itself says that I want to join in this month after doing, actually I completed 13K. Even I can do more, but I'm not getting that fun in that because it's become a routine. Every day I was walking 5 km every day, 5 to 7 km I can walk easily, ma'am. Earlier for 1 km, I used to have so much of this thing. Yes, and I remember Sirisha ma'am asking me, Anirudh, are you doing running? Then I used to say not doing. That has manifested. Within 3 months, we met, no ma'am, that day. We met in Begumpet. That time ma'am asked me, are you doing running? Then I was like, I was blank. That has been manifested. So what I believe is that something, if you have design in your mind, even if doesn't manifest immediately, it will be manifesting. Because I know Tony Robbins sir from past 2 years. I never imagined to attend his session. But when we decide from deep down, if we have some deep down intention, if you write affirmations, if you write visualization, every day I used to visualize about his session, picking up the lottery. It happened. And I was like, okay, exam result didn't come. Okay, here God is giving, or here universe is giving. So then I thought like that. Then immediately I came to Hyderabad. We started this setup, ma'am. We have an official studio now to teach students because people also need some quality, some interesting thing to it. That's why I got this mic, I bought this camera, everything me and my friend was doing. From last 15 days, every day, I'm taking 2 sessions for students regarding interview skills. My friend is teaching English skills for the students for KLU University. There is a university in Karnataka that is Karnataka Lingayat Education. It's a big university, ma'am. Like 5 to 6,000 people studies there. We don't have time to teach also every day. 2 batches we are teaching from that day. And I also joined one advanced meditation course from Rishikesh, ma'am. That's a teacher training. So I'll be certified teacher trainer to teach meditation.
Awesome. Fantastic.
So earlier I used to do only small certification course, ma'am. Then I realized that to become a teacher, I need to do some thing, right? So right now I can't do yoga right now because immediately, but at least meditation I want to do. Every day, ma'am, 10 to 1 a.m., 10 to 1 p.m. in the morning, I was sitting in meditation, 3 hours.
Oh, great.
And that Swamiji every day is telling us to teach. Go and teach this, go and teach this. They are forcing, like they are pushing us. Yes, from August 1st, you guys need to teach. So then I understood. Then I understood that why you have joined, why you have become a LOA teacher, ma'am. Because somebody becoming teacher means they get more energy or more power to do. It's not like attending LOA session and teaching some others. It doesn't happen. So that's it, ma'am. Right now we have people to teach interview skills. Right from August, I'll start my meditation and all. Also, I want to become a trainer's trainer, ma'am. Like because everybody is having a mental stress or issues. I want to remove that for all the people, for business people or employees or even students. Second thing is I want to become a peak performance coach. A peak performance coach can only teach how to be 100% productive in your work in your day.
Yes.
Because trainers, coach, they are also not meeting their 100% work. They may also procrastinate. But I want to learn that from Tony Robbins, sir. And in this November, we are having one session, ma'am, like November 11 to 14. It's happening in Florida, where my cousin stays. So he was like, when you are coming, then I told, wait, just give me 2 months. Let me arrange some money, my own money. I'll book the ticket, we'll go. So I think I'm already being grateful to universe for giving me the
you
session.
and Tony Robbins workshop soon.
Yes. If I go there, ma'am,
You are
that's
going.
enough. Yes.
Why?
No, I'm going. Yes.
When
yes.
I'm going there. Not
Yes.
if when I'm going there.
You're already going, right, Anirudh?
Yeah, when I'm there.
Right.
So when
Sorry.
you're sharing pictures of Tony Robbins with you.
Yes.
Beaches are very beautiful there, Anirudh. You should go there also.
I'm going there. I'm having pick with him. I'll say that, sir, I'm going to start in India. Whatever you're teaching, I'll start in India because there is nobody here. I'll say.
Absolutely.
Anirudh, because you said that, see what I wrote. I don't know if you can figure out.
No, we can't see. What is that? Anirudh?
Wow.
Wow.
This is Tony Robbins. Yes.
It was written before you started the session. So maybe it is manifesting for you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
India's Tony Robbins.
Yes. And few more people also told the same thing, ma'am. When I start making videos about him, people saying it's naturally. So then I thought I'll make it, ma'am. Because Tony Robbins are also 60 years. In coming 10 years at least, he'll be in a retirement mode or he'll be only coaching.
More people.
So after 10 years at least, there is somebody in the world level, at least international level. To
No, not
teach.
necessary. Wait 10 years. You can start from now itself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So there was a huge opportunity, ma'am. Even my brother was saying, if I can get some visa, 6 months, I can stay there and learn there. He was saying like, you join some MMS, normal MS, you join and you attend this course. Who is stopping him? Who is stopping me? He was giving me more ideas to come to US and all. So then I thought, from now I'll learn from international trainers and I'll deliver same thing in India, because to my knowledge, there are only few people in India attended this session also, ma'am.
Absolutely.
And I already shared in the video, he told 3 things about our physical high level energy, that is sleep, food and exercise. And these are minimum things, ma'am. These are minimum things. After a session, I realized these are minimum.
Yeah, like when you're sharing, Anirudh, I like to share my experience also when you're saying, going beyond your limits, like you were sharing, you used to do 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. So I also do regular exercise, yoga, pranayama, meditation. So I never went beyond 7 Surya Namaskaras ever. Never. It was always 7. One day my guru said, let's do 10 today. I said, no, sir, it's impossible. It's very difficult, sir. Even within a minute, I realized when I'm teaching people to stretch their mind, imagine beyond, why am I limiting myself? So I said, chalo, sir, let's do it. And I just waited for a minute. I told my mind, it's okay, body can do it. And I stopped my breathing, continuously stopped my breathing. And I said, And slowly went on doing. My body was paining, but that day I did 13 Surya Namaskaras just because it stretched my mind.
Awesome, ma'am. That's really, you broke.
Yeah, I mean, I
the
said I'm
limit.
teaching everybody, I might as well practice it and then do it. So I was easily able to do. Of course, there was body pain, but 13 was unimaginable before that, which I actually did it. So like you're sharing that 13 kilometers or 20 kilometers only in the mind. You can easily achieve it if mind believes
Seriously,
it.
ma'am. And one more secret he told us, ma'am, like generally, when we teach people, they won't follow because even we don't have proof that we did, when we do something daily, that energy will go into them, ma'am. There is no need to show proof, ma'am. If I'm teaching, for example, meditation or something, there is no need to show proof. Even there is no need to show proof that I attended Tony Robbins session. When we seriously do it, other people will accept. Because people complain that my children don't listen to me, my parents don't listen to me. That's because you are not consistent. You don't do. They can feel the energy that this guy is not doing. But when you do it, they'll listen. They'll definitely listen.
Absolutely.
When I'm donating so much, there will be some energy in me. When I say that, they can feel, yes, this guy is donating. Let us also do. Otherwise, ma'am, simply saying words, it doesn't work. So that's why he stood for 12 hours and he spoke like, ma'am. I was drained out listening to him only. 12 hours, he was standing there. What an energy, ma'am. At 61 years age, 61 years, I think age is not a number, ma'am.
It's only
not a number also.
He's high energy, always on high energy. Absolutely.
And people want that, ma'am. Coming years, people want this. People want to get this energy.
Absolutely.
And I wish everybody to get transformed their physical level first. Yes, you have to do some kind of exercise, no matter you walk or you do sit up, something we need to do. Coming to the food habits also, he said no to any cool drinks or anything. He told that also. He said, don't have this, have some good food and all. And sleep, ma'am. These days, there is no sleep. People are sleeping very less. He told only normal things, but it was so much effect on me. Like from that day. So, yeah.
Can I tell you something, Anirudh? I don't know. Please don't mind if you don't like it. The session before you started speaking, right? You're in a low tone and you're in a calm mode. But when you're talking about Tony Robbins, you're all pumped up, energized. That's really nice. It's like I see a transformation.
He's one power of energy, totally full of energy. My God, the way he shouts on the screen.
Yeah, when I'm student, I listen like that only, ma'am.
Okay. That's really nice.
Because every day we are doing session, ma'am. 2 hours session we are doing. I was standing like this. I was delivering like this.
Great.
Even the school principal, she also got surprised that we never had this kind of energy session. The same session we are telling, the routine thing, but the energy levels, the way we communicate is different. So she was also appreciating.
Okay, no. And students get a lot more motivated when they see so much of energy from a young person. See, from 60 is different. Getting the energy from a young person like you, they can relate much better actually.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So let us do that activity also, ma'am. The activity, yes, that activity is called priming, ma'am. First, let me explain you. Then we all will do. It has 4 segments.
What is it called again? I'm sorry.
Priming. I'll share the video. There is I think recently they shared the video also on YouTube. So priming means getting into the peak stage every day. And without NLP and LOA, nobody can teach anything. That I understood. Anything you do, everything you do, there is a part of LOA, there's a part of NLP. That's it. Because these 2 things are utmost. Nobody has created anything more also. So in priming, we have 4 steps. The step 1, we'll keep hands like this and we'll breathe. And we'll exhale. So this is called Bhastrika in our yoga.
Yeah, we do that every day.
Yes. But we don't know why we are doing so.
Breath of fire also.
Yeah, breath of fire, Bhastrika. We do it every day in the yoga.
So Tony sir has combined east, west, everything. He mixed everything and he created.
And if you see, Anirudh, all the spiritual leaders across the world have learned the basics of spirituality from India. But they made the capsules so beautifully, so simple for people like us to follow. It becomes a lot more easier.
Yes, ma'am.
But eventually they have learned everything from India only.
He's talking about Varanasi, the celebration of death. He spoke for 1 hour about celebration of death.
All the spiritual leaders, including
Yes.
every one of them, have been to India, especially for meditation. All spirituality they've learned from India, but they packaged it so beautifully that it's easy for us to follow. That's the
Yes, ma'am.
difference between Indian spiritual leaders and them.
Yes, ma'am. So same thing I thought. I'll also package something from India. I'll keep India name only, but let people follow.
Awesome. So let's do the priming. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. Stage 1, we'll do this Bhastrika. Inhale, exhale for 10 times. Why we do this? Because it will cut off your thoughts immediately. People say get into meditation, but the person who is sitting here, his mind will be wandering somewhere. But when we do this breathing exercise, immediately our mind thoughts will be cut off. So the first step is done. Second step, we'll close our eyes and we'll think 3 grateful things in our life. It's same like LOA, like it's LOA. So 3 things, small or big, recent or past. Somebody said to you, something happened to you. Every day I remember about Tony Robbins session. I'm grateful to Tony Robbins session. Today I'll be grateful, like I'm grateful about scripting session by Sirisha ma'am. Something every day. You should be grateful for 3 things. Third thing, you need to visualize some blue light or some gold light is coming upon us. It is passing from head to toe, cleansing us, removing all our negative energy, removing all our limiting beliefs. And then what we have to do after imagining 3 times, then we have to make a love symbol or circle from our heart place, and we'll radiate this love to everybody around us from here. Because we have taken so much from universe, now we are radiating. So we are healing. We are healing ourselves, we are healing others. There's a 3rd step. In the 4th step, we just visualize our goals in a futuristic way. We are just going to celebrate. We are just going to feel. We are just going to feel how it feels. So he always insists that don't visualize, just feel. You just feel. You just be in the moment. Just be in the moment. So I think he has improvised many things, ma'am. That's what I learned. Like, because when he said NLP and LOA, then I thought, yes, he did some experiments, he did some research, then he packaged like this. So these are the 4 stages. Shall we do this 4?
Absolutely.
I think today it will be a double dose of goals, ma'am, I think.
Yeah. The more the merrier. Let's begin.
Yes. Both ways, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Just free your body. Just shake your body. If you shake your body, a lot of energy is going to be attracted. Yes. When our body vibrates, ma'am, like our emotional vibration, we attract many things.
Yes.
That's why in yoga or in any workout, when we do, there's a lot of positive energy we radiate. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Keep your fist like this. And let's start timing 10 rounds of inhalation and exhalation. Yeah. Yes. Start. Congrats, you have finished your step 1. Now our mind is ready to focus on our gratitude. I'll be speaking for 1 minute. Kindly close your eyes. Just be grateful for whatever thing you want in your life. Just be grateful for whatever things you have. Maybe your house, maybe your family. Maybe someone said to you a year back, a day back, an hour back. Just feel happy for the food you have or the money you have or all the good relations you have in your life. Just say thank you. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you, universe, for giving me abundance in my life. Thank you, universe, for praising me through all my friends and family. Thank you, universe, for a big, beautiful home I have. Thank you, universe, for abundant money I have. Thank you, universe, for sending amazing mentors in my life. I'm meeting many and many mentors in my life. They're helping me to transform my life. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, now let us get into the step 3. That is, imagine a blue or gold color light coming from the clouds. Just imagine clouds. There is sun, there are clouds. From the clouds, just imagine a blue or golden color light falling on your head. It is removing all the negative thoughts in your mind. It is improving your eyesight. It is improving your memory. It is improving your words. It is healing all your body. It is giving you a lot of energy to face. It is healing you from top to bottom. Your hands are now powerful. Your lungs, your heart, your stomach, your kidneys, your thighs, your feet, everything is powerful now. And once again, imagine for the second time. Yes, there's a beautiful light coming onto me. It is clearing all my limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are just the beliefs. That's all been removed from me. And for the third time, once again, just imagine the light is passing freely from your head to toe because there is nothing negative in your body. Everything got energized. Now, make a circle with your hand, with your fingers. Keep it before your heart and send this love to the person who is in your home. Wish him all the health, all the wealth, all the happiness. Now you have become an energy channel. Let this energy pass to your neighbors, next to your village, next to your town, next to your district, your state, or country, and the world, and to the whole earth. It's a time of pandemic we have, but there is a lot of healing going on parallelly. That's why the cases were reduced, because everybody's praying on this earth to get it reduced. And we are just sending our love to them. And just imagine, they got your love, they got your energy, they got energized. Your whole home, whole room got so much of energy now. You can feel after the session. When you walk around, you can feel. Yes. Now completing 3 steps. Now we are going to the 4th step, that is achieving our goal. Now, don't just visualize your goal. Just feel it, how it feels like when you achieve the goal number 1. How it feels when you see it. How it feels when your family members appreciate you. How it feels the moment you get it. Imagine, feel, just enjoy the feel, the happiness you have, the joy you're getting, the appreciation you're getting, the love you're getting by helping people. The joy, love, appreciation, gratefulness people showing to you is making you to stay in a high positive vibration all the time in your life. From now, there is no moment in your life you're going to the low vibration. You will be always staying in high vibration. You're attracting lots of money in your life. And you're donating so much. You're helping the needy. And you're all getting the love from everybody. Everybody is saying you are the great person. You are the transformer. You have helped me a lot. They're crying. They're crying with love for you. They're saying, without you, we are nothing. Thanks for, you are the God. You are the goddess for us. This is a life we want to create in coming to the earth. This is our life purpose, to help others. We get money as a byproduct, and in return we are helping the people with that money. Yes, this is a life. This is your true life. Whatever you imagine, what are the goals you imagine, this is your true life. Never ever get out from that. And it's time to swag. It's time to feel. It's time to clap for yourself. Time to clap for yourself and say, yes, I made it. Yes, I made it. I have made this. I can do this. I can help anybody. Yes, this is my life. This is my true life, which is happening, which will happen, which will stay forever. The life till now I have, it's an imaginary life, which only stays in my mind. So let's be in this mood. Let's be happy. Let's congratulate each other. I congratulate Padma ma'am, Valli ma'am, Anusha ma'am, Akshit, Sirisha ma'am, and Sirisha ma'am.
Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations. Can I have a photo, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
It's an amazing session. Okay, thank you so much. Awesome session, Ruth. It was really, really energizing. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences with Tony, one and only Tony Robbins. It's just amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks everyone for making this day beautiful, because we have half of the day with us. This will keep it going. This will keep up the momentum.
Absolutely.
True.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All your dreams come true. All our dreams come true.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, the goal light passing from head to toe, it was awesome. It's a good experience, very good experience actually.
This was been done in our Sirisha ma'am session also in 2019.
Goals
Yes,
session.
Om. Ma'am told us to visualize Om, then we'll get all the energy. So it's like repeating, ma'am. Wherever I go, I'm learning the same thing in a new way. The same thing.
Packages is different, but basic is same.
Basic is. Then I realized I have to do. Ma'am, can anybody share, ma'am, like how it
It
was?
was fantastic, Anirudh. It was very, very nice and refreshing. Thank you so much. More importantly, sharing your experience with Tony Robbins were very inspiring, and how you use your law of attraction to, attract this is a wonderful story of success. Thank you for sharing your journey. It was really energizing, and may you transform millions of lives, be the next Tony Robbins of India.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank
It
you
was
so much.
great energy, Anirudh. It was very well, shared, and you really tried to put your, real experience of how your journey happened. And I think, like you said, right, unless we put real stories, it doesn't touch the heart of the opposite person. And I think it was really nice. Thank you for sharing.
Welcome, ma'am.
Anirudh, you did a great job, sharing your experiences, your manifestations, your goals, you're using how you're using LOA, and it's not only inspiring, but we learned a lot. Today I learned a lot from you. The 4 things I don't think I'll forget. Sirisha knows me very well. I try to implement whatever Sirisha, so I'll implement these 4 things every day.
And you'll
So,
remember, you'll remember it, well, you not forget,
Right.
you'll remember it.
Yeah, I'll
Always,
remember it.
like, she just starts implementing. That's why she manifests so fast, because whatever she learns, she implements. And that is most important. We have, like Anirudh was sharing, consistency and practicing is important in anything else.
Yeah, that thing still rings. So
Yes, ma'am. I forgot to share something, ma'am. Like this is the important one I want to share, because there were a lot of stuff in the 4 days. I'm trying to keep it in a small time. One thing, ma'am, one important thing, this priming activity or any activity, Tony Robbins said, doing from 44 years.
And no wonder he's so powerful, right?
He said us one thing, ma'am. He told that do it for 21 days, he told. then everybody says, he told us that I'm not a person who does like you for 21 days or 6 months. I did it for 44 years. Sometimes he tells with so much strong, ma'am, like he has so much love and care. He pushes into us. Like he said, 44 years I was doing the same thing every day. You guys can't do for 21 days or 6 months. You won't see any transformation. He said it on the face. You won't see any transformation.
Absolutely. Consistency is very important.
So anyway, I got the session for free. Then I thought I should share this knowledge to everyone and I should not miss any day. This is a commitment I made to myself because there is no use attending the session, ma'am. Some other person would have attended that. So there was an energy exchange mismatch was there. So then I thought I should share this to everybody. Number 2, I need to write every day my affirmations. There is no need for any person to tell me. I need to write my affirmations. I need to do visualization. Otherwise, I should leave it. I should leave my goals. It's better not to have goals. It's better to chill our life, no ma'am. Why to say to people that I have some goals to do? Then don't say. Leave over to your health also. Seriously, if we are doing something, we need to do. We need to do, ma'am. It's like brushing or washing.
It has to be part of our life, a daily life.
That I decided, ma'am, after the session. I should not say any excuse.
All right. Thank you so much because I also have to travel. So
Yes,
bye-bye, everyone.
thanks,
It
ma'am.
was nice conducting the workshop. Thank you, Anirudh. Thank you, everyone, for being part of it. We'll all see you soon. Bye-bye.
Can I ask?
Thank you so
Coming
much.
to Hyderabad?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Oh, welcome.
Please share, ma'am, how many days you will stay.
Yeah, I'll share it with you. Definitely. Hopefully, we'll meet this time. Okay.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Okay,
Thanks.
bye. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Thanks to everyone.
Bye.